Today on CJ Pony Parts, we're going to make this Fiesta ST look a lot more aggressive with some help from Rally Innovations. Front splitters can really make the front of your car look a lot more aggressive, so today we're going to be installing this Rally Innovations 3-piece front splitter on this 2016 Fiesta ST. This Rally Innovations 3-piece front splitter was made right here in the USA of high-quality 11-gauge aluminum with a nice matte black finish. It features a 3-piece design that's been developed and tested for an easy install and to make the front of your Fiesta look a lot more aggressive. The installation of this front splitter is very straightforward, so let's get to it. Tools you'll need for this installation: a lift or a jack and jack stands, 1/4" ratchet, 7mm socket, 3/16 hex key, 3/8 drill bit, a drill, and safety glasses. Okay, the first thing we're going to do for this installation is remove the 5 screws on the bottom of the front bumper. We're going to loosely install the centerpiece by using one of the factory screws. Install the side pieces with the OEM hardware. Install the other side. Don't get these super tight just yet. Leave them a little bit loose and make sure that the centerpiece is resting on top of the side pieces. Then you're going to check your alignment of all 3 pieces. Grab a 3/8 drill bit and drill out the remaining holes in the centerpiece. It's going to be a little bit difficult to get these nuts on, but it is possible. We can now install the provided hardware into the front splitter. We're going to be taping the nuts to this wrench to hold it in place. This will make it a lot easier. Just line it up with the hole and install your bolt. And your installation is finished. Okay, we got our Rally Innovations 3-piece front splitter installed on our Fiesta ST. It makes this thing look a lot more aggressive, and installation couldn't be any simpler. All you had to do was drill out 3 holes, and it should only take you about 45 minutes, and before you know it, you'll be heading down the road.